How to change photo background in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, if you want to change background in iPhone, then you might need to download an individual app. So go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for background changer, and then go ahead and download this particular app. Once downloaded, go ahead and launch the application, and now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and allow access to pictures, and with this you will be allowed to make changes on your picture. So simply tap on the cutout option you see there on the home page of the app, and then go ahead and choose the picture whose background you are looking forward to change. Once done, you will see the option for auto cutout on top of your screen. So tap on the auto cutout option you see there, and then tap on the done option on the top right. With this, as you can see, the background has been removed. And now, if you want to add different background to this photo, then tap on next on the top right of your screen, and you will see the option for photos there. Tap on that and then go ahead and choose the photo that you want to add in the background, and as you can see, the picture has been added. Further, go ahead and resize the picture as per your requirement by simply tapping on the picture and then adjusting the size of the picture. Once you have your desired picture, tap on the save option on the top right of your screen and then tap on save again, and with this, the picture will be saved to your camera roll. So this is how you can change background photo in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.